Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vanilla mug cake. If you don't like vanilla and rather have a chocolate mug cake, go to the description down below and that's the link to the chocolate mug cake. So the first thing you're going to need is a mug. Then you're going to get a knife and some butter. You're going to cut off about a tablespoon of the butter. Put it in your mug. Then you're gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds or until it's melted. Mine isn't fully melted, but it's okay. It just has to be like soft and like in the liquid and stuff. So next you're gonna need, this is kind of a tricky part, for me at least. So you're gonna need an egg. You're probably gonna need a separate container because you have to just put the yolk in here. So thought that was weird too, but let's give this a try. Oh God, I'm doing it. Maybe you just like toss it around. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess it doesn't have to be like
fully yolk.
Oh, look, I did it. You're probably gonna want to throw the egg away. Okay, so after you do that, you can probably just throw this yolk, or well, not yolk, the whites out. The next thing you're gonna do is take your flour and you're gonna take a measuring cup. Mine is of a fourth a cup, and you're gonna get a fourth a cup of flour. To get the like perfect consistency, you wanna put it on against your hand or something like that, and make sure you get a knife and you scrape off the excess. So then it's not like too clumpy and stuff like that. So it's flat. Put that in your mug. Next thing you're gonna need is vanilla. Just open the vanilla. Put it in your lid, your little lid. Just fill that right up. And then that's it for the vanilla. Now you're gonna take your sugar. You're gonna put 1, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, you're gonna take your milk and you're gonna put 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Then you might think it's a little odd, but we're gonna put some lime or lemon juice in it, just like a dash. And yeah, then you're gonna take a fork and just mix it all in there, nice and good. Useche Fernando. It's my dog. So after you mix it, it should look like this. I wouldn't suggest eating it, but I don't really care. It's raw, so you shouldn't really eat it, but I just can't resist. Okay, now after you mix it all, and it's like a good consistency, then you can take like chocolate chips, sprinkles, nuts or whatever, and you can put them in and mix them in. And if you don't want any of that stuff, which I don't have any of that stuff, then you're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. It's been 1 minute. It's hot, but ooh, it looks good. And before you eat it, you can add like chocolate syrup or like caramel, whipped cream, or any of that stuff. And yeah, let's give it a test. Camilla, you want to try some? Mmm, that's good.
Some what?
Cake. She doesn't like cake.
Hot. Ow!
She doesn't like cake, but I'm gonna make her try it anyways.
It hurts.
It's really good. I love it. Try it. but it's good. Okay, so that was a success, thankfully. So definitely recommend that. Again, if you don't like vanilla, then go check out my chocolate mug cake recipe. It's in their description below. Let me know in the comments what content I should make and like what videos you want to see. I guess that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Follow my TikTok and all that. With Stretchy Fernando. Say hi, Stretchy.